Good afternoon, my name is Nathan Parks and behind me is a brand new Cadillac XT6 MK Coach Grand Legacy Limited, fully loaded, four-way clear strobes up front, fender strobes down below here, black metallic paint with a black tuxedo top, sitting on a set of 20-inch chrome Cadillac OEM wheels here with some brand new tires, BNC pillar chrome, and a stainless crown band. And then finally to mention, it has the Venetian style rear window glass, which is going to be the largest window glass offered on a brand new coach. Now as we come back to here, you got a Madagascar floor with MK Coach's light colored interior, so it's a light gray with dark gray drapes. Flip up church truck compartment here along with the church truck slide out tray. So if you take a peek here, you can slide this thing right out, load a church truck on here, and then you can either use your leg or your hand and slide it right back in. That way the church truck never comes in contact with the lower sill plate here, keeping the vehicle nicer for longer. Now underneath the partition wall, as normal or as traditional, you have a umbrella storage area down below, which you can obviously use for anything you like or anything you're used to using. Now the number 2 doors, rear coach body, roof, and rear load door are all fiberglass. So everything about this car is set up to last a lifetime. You do have a fold down extend-a-sill here and the coveted manual rising urn carrier, the only urn carrier in the market that puts the urn right in the rear load door so that the family can see it during a procession. Now on this Grand Legacy Limited, you do have some other features on top of that. You do have some shades in the inside, so if you do not like the windows or do not want the window look for the family, you can easily pull those down and block those off. You also have a full set of beer pins, casket guide rails, and a couple other options in the back here. That way, if you do not elect to use a cremation style funeral, you can set this right back in the floor and load a full-size casket. This folding extend-a-sill comes in really handy as it also goes to protect the rear bumper the same way that the church truck slide-out tray protects the church truck area. So this car is set up for success. 4 parking sensors around the back, backup camera integrated. You also get a nice little cutout in this rear load door here. That way if you're a little bit of a larger pallbearer, you can still easily pass the casket in. This casket floor is set up for a full-size casket, a traditional casket, and an oversized casket. You can also remove the casket guide rails around the wheel boxes if you want to do a double oversize and slide it in the back of here. One last thing to note on this rear load door, you get the nice teardrop glass to show off that urn carrier, and you get the rear load door stainless package to match the crown band and the exterior chrome. Now as you come around here, the coach is wrapped with LED lights, so you get LED coach lamps and headlights and taillights. You get a compact spare tire down here, jack and toolkit located in there, and a matching flip-up style lid just to match the passenger side church truck. Now as we close this door here, you're going to come into the driver compartment. Everything is black on black leather to match the exterior, and you get all the bells and whistles that you would hope to have in a brand new Cadillac in the modern age. So AM/FM radio, Sirius XM radio, Bluetooth, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto, both of which are wireless. Heated seats, remote start, and a key fob activated vehicle. That way the keys always stay in your pocket and never leave it, so you can never lock yourself out. Now both the driver's seat and the passenger seat are both black leather and both fully powered. And the column as well is wrapped in leather and is a manual extending or telescoping column. So you can fit any size passenger in this vehicle, and with the backup camera and parking sensors, just about anyone in the funeral home can drive it. Now we do offer financing and leasing packages on all of our brand new cars. Always welcome for trades, and the units behind me are fully available. So I have a few with the Grand Legacy Limited style with the Venetian window, and I also have a few traditional Grand Legacies if you're looking for a traditional Landau bar. So give me a call, 800-229-5008. Any questions at all, I would love to answer them, and we'd love to get you some numbers over to your desk. Thank you very much, and talk to you in the next one.